Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Wednesday, the 21st of April 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 closed down 0.3% today to 6,997 points, though at one point it was trading more than 1% lower. Challenger Limited and Lynas Rare Earths were both down more than 5% after disappointing market watchers yesterday. Whitehaven Coal fell almost 6%, but the worst performer on the market was one of last year's biggest floats. Data analytics group Newey tumbled 15% today after the group said it would fall short of revenue predictions. Shares closed at $4.29 and are now more than 20% below its listing price late last year. Following on from Rio's high shipping volumes announced on Tuesday, BHP said it had moved 66 million tonnes of iron ore during the March quarter. BHP is also benefiting from higher copper prices, which have more than doubled over the past year, though it has downgraded its export targets for its coking coal division. BHP's share price fell 0.5% today. Investment bank Macquarie upgraded earnings forecasts for the banks by up to 2% this financial year, following Wall Street banks reporting higher revenue for fixed income, currencies and commodities. Today, the share prices of Westpac, NAB and ANZ all fell by more than 1%, while Commonwealth Bank was up 0.5%. Energy giant Santos has agreed to provide Rio Tinto with 15 petajoules of natural gas from later this year. Finally, it's a win for the beleaguered natural gas industry in Australia, though Santos' share price closed down 1.1% today. Corporate Travel Management said it broke even during the March quarter and expects to make a profit during the 3 months to June. The group reported strong domestic demand in the Australian and New Zealand region and expects to pick up in the United States and United Kingdom as vaccines are rolled out. Its share price closed up 3.5% and was one of the best on the bourse. Freight rail transport company Aurizon said its third quarter coal haulage volumes fell 6% as China's demand for Australian coal tumbled and bad weather affected shipments. The group also lost a contract with Queensland power station Stanwell. Its share price closed 0.5% higher. Toll road group Atlas Arteria said traffic during the March quarter was down 12% and toll revenue was off 9% on the back of COVID-19 related movement restrictions. Its share price was up a touch today. In economic news, March retail sales rose by 1.4%, allaying fears about the slowdown in spending. So far this year, retail sales have been soft, but the latest figures from the Bureau of Statistics were stronger than forecast, and annual sales are up 2.3% from a year earlier. The Aussie dollar is trading at 77.2 US cents. Just a quick recap on Wall Street. Basically, it closed down this morning. The S&P 500 ended 0.7% lower. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was off 0.8%, and Nasdaq closed 0.9% lower. That's it for the afternoon market report for Wednesday, the 21st of April 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the regular edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.